Hi, welcome to all. Today I will tell you how to install Signal app Messenger. For doing that, first of all, you have to open the Google Play Store. Now in the Google Play Store, in the search box, enter the Signal app Messenger. That is, I am typing that one, Signal Private Messenger app. Now it is showing its screens. Then you can press the install button. Now it is downloading and it is going for taking a few seconds. Now it is still opening this one. You have to wait. Based on the internet connectivity, it will takes you a smaller seconds. Now it is 30% is completed. Now this is one of the greatest application. It is open source and also cross-platform application, and it is going to be very popular nowadays when the WhatsApp is changed its privacy policies to share their details with the Instagram and also Facebook, and it is having the so many features. Maximum it is similar to the WhatsApp Messenger. Now it is downloading. 70% is completed. Yes, few seconds. Yes, it is going to finish. Yes, now it is doing the installation process. Downloading is completed. It is installing. Yes, installation is completed. Then you can go with the open button. Tap on open. Now it is opening the Signal app. This is the first screen which you can appear in the Signal app, and it is giving the message like take privacy with you and before yourself in your message. Now just you can use continue button, and again use Signal needs to access your contacts and media in order to continue connect with your friends, exchange messages and make secure calls. Then press again continue. Now it is asking to allow your contacts. Press allow. Next one, it is asking to allow access photos and media and files on your device. Tap on allow. Now it is asking to make and also manage calls. Allow. Now it is asking your phone number. Then enter your phone number. Now I am giving the phone number. Now press next button. It will give say pin verifications. Now it is sent enter the code. It is automatically taking the code. Yes. Now it is asking you to enter the name, that is I am giving as TechSpider. Last name is optional. Press next, and it is asking to create a pin number. It is a very secured option. Pins keep information stored with the Signals encrypted, so only you can access it, and your profile settings and contacts will restore when you reinstall it, and you won't need your pin to open this app. Then it will text the verifications sometimes and enter the pin number, any pin number you would like to use. I am giving next. Again it is asking the re-enter the pin number. Now it is taking the pin number. It is a personal identification number. Yes, this is the first screen with you, and it is asking to enter your profile picture, and I am ignoring this one. And you have a pencil symbol. With the pencil symbol you can find your friends and you can send the messages to you. That is I am giving like a TechSpider. Now it is giving the TechSpider, and you can send a message with the person hi. Yes, and the message is sent. Like that you can send the voice messages, and also you can send the photos, and you can send the smileys. And here you have the good smileys and emojis. You can use anything here. Yes, you can select it. You can select anyone. Yes, and also this is the three dot symbol. With that one you can add disappearing messages, all media, conversation settings, search, and add to home screen, and reset the secure sessions and mute notifications, so on. And the next another video I will cover you most of the another features with the Signal app. Thank you for watching this video.